पश्चिम बंगाल के मुख्यमंत्री ममता बनर्जी ने प्रधानमंत्री को दिए कड़े शब्दों में जवाब। पिछले दिनों यास तूफान के दौरान प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी 3 राज्यों का हवाई सर्वे करने पश्चिम बंगाल, उड़ीसा और झारखंड पहुंचे थे। वहीं उन्होंने पश्चिम बंगाल में एक मीटिंग बुलाई थी जिसमें ममता बनर्जी और पश्चिम बंगाल के मुख्य सचिव अल्पन बंदोपाध्याय देर से पहुंचे। उसके कारण ये था कि पश्चिम बंगाल में तूफान से हुई तबाही का जायजा ले रही थी। मुख्यमंत्री और मुख्य सचिव बैठक में शामिल नहीं होने के कारण प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने दिल्ली पहुंचकर मुख्यमंत्री ममता बनर्जी पर तो कोई कार्रवाई कर नहीं पाए। वहीं उन्होंने मुख्य सचिव को दिल्ली ज्वाइन करने की हिदायत दे डाली।
नो कंसल्टेशन विद द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट, ये जस्ट रिवर्स हो गया। प्रायर कंसल्टेशन 0 था, डिटेल्ड कंसल्टेशन नहीं हुआ। Rule 6 clause 1 prior consultation is there, but you have not done that also. You have added to insult injury. कंसल्टेशन का बदल में ये रिवर्स हो गया है। नो कंसल्टेशन, नथिंग, नो रीजन, नथिंग, ओनली पॉलिटिकल वेंडेटा वर्क्स। Why you don't like Mamata Banerjee? That's why. Why you are defeated? That's why. Why you know that you are nowhere in Bengal? That's why. Do you think that they should not respect the people's mandate? After my taking oath, within a day, they have got to saying violence, violence, violence. I have not seen any violence. There must be some evidence. They have gone, filed some writ petition for president rule. We came to know from the media. They have gone to National Human Rights Commission. They sent National Human Rights Commission. They sent central team, not for the purpose of COVID, but for the purpose of political vendetta, to save the BJP from their inner fightings. And now, I'm sorry, the purpose of extension of services for 3 months from 1st June 2021 of Sri Alappan Bandyopadhyay was in public interest to fight COVID-19 pandemic and impact of recent cyclone. Based on it, central government agreed to give extension on 24th May 2021. After the aerial visit of the PM on 28th May, the central government asked the state government to relieve Sri Bandyopadhyay to enable him to join on 31st May 2021 at 10 a.m. at New Delhi. Central state government doesn't know the cause even, the reason even. State government did not agree to relieve him on 31st May 2021 as the purpose for which his extension was given still persists. CM West Bengal has written detailed letter to Prime Minister as to why he cannot be relieved. Our priority is COVID and cyclone. It may be mentioned that perhaps the central government may not be aware